Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Wednesday. It's day 107 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And thank you so much for being here today, especially if you like drought-tolerant plants like we do. If this is your first time here, welcome you guys, and thank you for watching. And go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of our videos.
So guys, today we're creating a drought-tolerant container with a couple different plants that we want to show you. This is going to be a really fun day, and we hope you enjoy this.
Yeah, we love drought-tolerant plants, and we have a lot to tell you about them. There's some misconceptions you might have, a lot of people have about drought-tolerant plants. So we want to teach you a little bit about those. We're going to create a container, and we're going to be using some beautiful plants.
So guys, you might be wondering, what is a drought-tolerant plant? Well, it's a plant's ability to be tolerant under drought conditions, and this is how well it adapts to drought conditions. And each plant's different. There's different levels of drought tolerance, so you just need to be careful and make sure you know your plant's ability of how drought tolerant it can be.
I think one misconception a lot of people have about drought-tolerant plants, I know I thought this in the past, is that, you don't ever have to water. You just put them in a container and they just take care of themselves. That is not true. And like Sean said, there's different levels of drought tolerance, and different plants should be grouped together that have those similar needs.
Oh, I think this is in the realm of right plant,
right
place.
Plant, right place. We're gonna talk a lot more about that in a sec here.
So guys, here we are looking at our plants. Now, you might recognize those two pots in the back there from day 105, where we transplanted our Dracaena plants out of these pots into new pots. Well, we're gonna repurpose these pots for our drought-tolerant plants today. So
yeah, we love these containers. They're a great size. They just didn't really work out for the Dracaenas very well.
Well, the Dracaenas outgrew them. They were pretty much
very difficult to remove.
They were, as you guys probably saw in the videos. But the Dracaenas were in those pots for a couple of years, so they did well.
At least.
So
we are very excited to get started on this project. We have a little grouping, a little trio of 1 agastache and 2 coneflowers. So this is a white coneflower, and this one will be pink, so that'll be kind of a nice mix. And these are all the same as well, so it'll be a nice blend of color.
We'll have 2 matching pots, basically.
So not only that, they all have similar water needs in their drought tolerance. They all need full sun, and they're all great for containers.
Yep. And they're pollinator friendly. Pollinators love these guys.
Yes.
Especially the agastache. Those actually attract hummingbirds.
It's gonna be super fun to watch.
Who doesn't want more hummingbirds?
Who does not want more hummingbirds? So we are gonna get to work with getting these all planted in the new containers with new soil. We've already put rocks in the bottom.
Okay guys, let's get these planted.
Okay, we got everything planted and put in the right place here.
Oh, look at that, guys, cool.
Oh, this agastache is just gorgeous. And these are gonna just pop so soon.
So we got the 2 coneflowers in front, you guys. And then we got our agastache right behind it. So it's a nice triangle planting, pretty cool. Each one of them mirrors the other. So we'll find a good spot for these in full sun. And there you go.
Okay, you guys, so the next step is to get these thoroughly watered in.
So guys, leave your questions and comments down below. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And that's a wrap for today. We're really happy with the way the containers turned out, and we'd love to hear from you if you have drought-tolerant plants, or if you're looking to plant some new containers that are drought-tolerant. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you tomorrow. We'll be back with another project.
Yep, until then, see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.